Ever thought about what you're eating on your weight loss journey? Or considered going on a diet but don't know which one to choose? Enter the ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto. This low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet is designed to help some individuals shed those extra pounds. The key here is to keep your carbohydrate intake low, typically around 20 to 50 grams per day, and ramp up your consumption of healthy fats. Intrigued? Now, let's dive into some keto-friendly foods that can kickstart your ketogenic journey. Meat and poultry are staple foods on a keto diet. Why? They are virtually carb-free and are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Take beef, for instance. It's not only rich in protein, but also in creatine and carnitine, nutrients that support muscle growth and energy production. Chicken, turkey, and pork offer similar benefits with the added advantage of being leaner options. Lamb, on the other hand, is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Now let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, trout, and tuna are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can aid in reducing inflammation and improving mental health. Sardines and mackerel, while lesser known, are equally nutritious. They are high in protein and contain a wealth of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D and B12, iodine, and selenium. So keep these meat, poultry, and fatty fish in mind when preparing your keto meals. Low-carb vegetables and healthy fats are also essential in a keto diet. And who said you can't have dairy on a diet? Let's talk about low-carb vegetables first. These are not just fillers to add volume to your meals. They are powerhouses of nutrients. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are packed with vitamins and minerals. Broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini are also great choices, offering a good mix of fiber and antioxidants. And let's not forget the mighty avocado, a low-carb vegetable that's also a fantastic source of healthy fats. Speaking of healthy fats, they are a crucial component of the keto diet. Olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil are excellent choices. And yes, you can have butter, preferably grass-fed, for its higher nutrient content. These fats will help keep your energy levels up while your body is in ketosis. Eggs deserve a special mention. They are a versatile food and an excellent source of healthy fats and protein. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelette, eggs are a keto superstar. And finally, dairy. Full-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt, heavy cream, and cheese are welcome in a keto diet. Cheddar, mozzarella, cream cheese, goat cheese, you name it. They add a creamy richness to dishes while providing you with essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, these foods not only add flavor to your meals, but also provide essential nutrients to keep you healthy. Nuts, seeds, and fruits can be enjoyed in moderation. And yes, you can still enjoy your favorite sauces and condiments. Let's dive into the wonderful world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all keto-friendly. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them an excellent choice for a quick snack or a crunchy salad topping. And what about fruits? While most fruits are high in carbs, berries, avocados, and tomatoes can be consumed in small quantities. They're rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants, adding a sweet or savory pop to your meals. Now, let's not forget about condiments and sauces. Mayonnaise, mustard, hot sauce, and low-carb salad dressings can all be part of your keto journey, enhancing the flavor of your meals without piling on the carbs. Remember, the key is moderation. Incorporate these foods into your diet for added variety and flavor. Remember, the key to a successful keto diet is maintaining a balance between your carb intake and consumption of healthy fats. It's like a dance where carbs take a step back and healthy fats take the lead. However, it's crucial to remember that every body is unique and what works for one might not work for another. That's why it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before embarking on your keto journey. They can provide personalized guidance based on your health goals and individual needs. Another important aspect to remember is the value of proper hydration and maintaining electrolyte balance. When you're consuming fewer carbs, your body needs to adjust, and staying hydrated helps make this transition smoother. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Also, don't forget to check out the vitamin supplements mentioned below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.